Here are 7 tips to help you take better photos of yourself with your phone. Tip 1 is to wear something that stands out from your environment. This will help you pop in your photos. Tip 2 is to use a tripod with a phone mount on it. You can usually get them pretty cheap online, and these will help you take photos of yourself to the next level. Tip 3. There are 2 ways of taking photos of yourself with a tripod, and the first way is to set a timer on your camera so you can take photos after 5 or 10 seconds. This typically gives you the best quality you can get, but it does mean that you have to do a lot of running about to make sure that you get the best photo. The second method is to set your camera to video mode. Make sure you're recording at the highest quality possible, and then all you have to do is film yourself doing the correct pose that you want to do, and then you'll be able to look through that footage and take a screenshot of the frame that you want to use as a photo. And this also means you'll have a huge variety of shots to choose from. Always use the back camera and not the front camera. Tip 4. Don't just take photos at eye level, get creative with your angles. Try putting the phone low to the ground, point it up and put the 0.5 lens on, and check out the difference it can make. Tip 5 is to find an environment that highlights you. There are lots of natural frames out there, so find a place that will draw attention to you, and a great way to do this is by using leading lines. Go to the center of where the lines lead and see how you stand out in the image. Tip 6. Instead of constantly running back and forth, scout out the best place to stand in the frame by filming yourself walking through it, and then look through the video and make a mental note of where you looked best in that frame. Then all you have to do is set a timer, stand there, and then you've got your photo. And finally, for tip 7, it's important to keep trying. This kind of photography can take a lot of running back and forth, but if you stick to it, you'll have awesome photos as a result. I hope this video helped you take better photos of yourself with your phone. Like and subscribe for more phone photography tips and tutorials.